I think now at this point we're really seeing that people understand and really see the value of these projects and of the let's say the AI program that we're implementing.
Hi, my name is Marjolein. I'm working as a consultant for Luminus.
I'm Chris Remels. I'm Head of Innovation at Luminus.
Culture change is the first thing to do, and that's what we aim with our innovation campaign. So we first had an innovation week with a lot of sessions to just have all people on board so that they can embrace AI and that they don't have to be afraid of the technology. So that's the first thing. Second, of course, there's a lot of opportunities within the team, and I think innovation and AI go hand in hand. So the future is definitely going to be with AI, so that's why we want to embrace it.
The perception in the company on AI was something that initially we had to maybe not monitor, but try to understand, because some people are more defensive, more scared about what it could mean for their job and not necessarily looking at the opportunities it could bring or how they could benefit from the use of AI. So that was something that we had to understand, and then also to organize ways of bringing people to a certain level and also bringing some confidence in basically first how to use AI, how to write a prompt, how to test a bit with ChatGPT, how to do a first test with Copilot in Microsoft. So these things we had to organize to explain also what are the opportunities in the market, what are other companies doing, so to get the basic understanding.
So we worked together with Wonka for a couple of information sessions during our innovation week. There was some background information, very useful, but also some very practical tips and tricks. And it was very nice to work with you because you really explained it very well with the right words, not too technical, but also technical enough. And I think that was the difficult thing within Luminus, because we have a lot of departments, a lot of people with different backgrounds, and they're all in one session. And I think the good thing from the sessions from Wonka was that all people could understand.